Area, if you be person wey love to be on standby power supply, this video is for you. You see power don't disappear again. But no worry, I get the solution informate for una. Abeg, help me on that thing. You dey see am? As light don't come back now, make una follow me, make I show you how e dey be. Meet the real game changer. The itel power tank 500 watts, all in one beast, designed to power your essential appliance and gadgets. Now all the things wey dey inside the box be this: mounting brackets, expansion screw, shock screw, RNB2, AC power supply cord, DC cable, fuse, user manual, warranty form, packing list, qualified certificate, and finally the real boss, the itel energy power tank. Rated 500 watts with power factor 1. Wetin e mean be say e go fit supply 500 watts without waste. The 1000 watts per hour na battery capacity. The big tank wey dey store energy, so na efficient package. E no end there, e get MPPT, maximum power point tracking. Big grammar wey simply mean say this device sabi collect juice from solar panel like Pro. Range 11 voltage to 60 voltage, so even if sun no too dey shine, e still dey manage squeeze power full ground. The inverter wey dey inside na high frequency model design. E no fat like old school inverter. E light, small, e no dey make plenty noise. Output na pure sine wave AC, meaning say e get clean and smooth current for your TV, laptop, fridge, router without wahala. In fact, you go fit use and carry automatic washing machine. The beautiful part be say solar and NEPA go fit power am together. Imagine say your solar dey give 100 watts, but your load need 200 watts. NEPA or generator go balance the remaining 100 watts. Na teamwork dey happen for there so. To set am up dey easy die. Na pure plug and play. You go fit hang am for wall, drop am for table, or carry am waka. E weigh 10.25 kg, so no be baby toy, but e still dey portable. You go see two major buttons: battery plus AC on and off. Plenty port options dey for you: AC, DC, USB, PV, anything you need, connect, e go work. For example, make we scatter am for ground. If you dey use TV wey be 100 watts, e go last you for 10 hours. 50 watt fan go take 20 hours. Make you put TV, fan, bulb, decoder. E mean say e go give you steady light for 4 hours. Cooling fan dey both sides and e no dey disturb. Noise level, e come with 45 dB. Na like person wey dey whisper give you for corner. Silence beast, I gbadun the sound personally. E no dey too make noise. If you wan charge am reach 100%, e go take you 2 hours. E get 6000 cycle. E mean say this battery go last you for 8 to 10 years without wahala. Here na small way to maintain this power tank. Na lithium battery follow am come. E dey strong and reliable. Just make sure say you dey keep am for dry place. And for normal temperature wey you go fit use am na 18 to 28 degree. E go serve you steady. E get small counter wey I notice about this power tank. The 10.25 kg no go give you that access to dey carry am everywhere all the time. And if the iron hand break, e go dey hard to dey move around. But make I no lie, the pros choke pass. Connect am to your house changeover. Forget generator noise, e dey work with solar panel. You fit charge am with NEPA light. E no dey hot. E dey save meter unit and the design fine too. Another ogbonge thing be say e come with 2 years warranty. If gbege show, just waka go cow care. They go sort you out sharp. So my people, I call this power tank the silent beast wey sabi power. If you be content creator, shop owner, or person wey just want steady light, you need to get one for yourself. Na your guy Tech Bobo wey dey always drop correct gadget gist for una. Abeg like, share, comment and subscribe because na steady power fit carry your hustle go far. And I go catch you for the next video. Peace out.